Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful showpiece using this glitter foam sheet. You need few cardboard cut out like this. I have cut out 3 heart shapes with different size. Using the cardboard piece as a base, you have to draw heart shapes on the glitter sheet and cut out them. I have cut out few heart shapes. Now next you need few broomsticks. You can also use thick wires which I use to make flowers. Cut the broomsticks into different lengths as I have shown in the video. Paint the broomsticks with black acrylic paint and keep them aside for drying. Black paint is already dried. Again we can stick the heart shapes on these sticks. Apply some glue on the back side of the glitter sheet and slowly place the broomstick at the center. Again you can place the next heart on top of the first heart. This is how it looks after sticking. Again you have to stick the remaining hearts. To make the base for the showpiece, I have taken some plaster of Paris. I am going to mix it with water and make it a thick paste. You should make a thick paste like this. To make the mold, I have taken a small plastic container. Transfer the plaster of Paris paste into the small container which you have taken. After transferring the plaster of Paris mixture, give 2-3 taps to remove the air bubbles inside the mixture. Again you have to wait for few minutes for the mixture to get semi-dried. Once the mixture is semi-dried, you can arrange the sticks which you have made earlier. You can arrange them in any order as you wish. You have to wait for the mixture to get semi-dried because just after pouring the mixture you can't place the sticks properly. They won't stand properly. So when the mixture is semi-dried and if you are placing the sticks, they'll stand in a proper position. I have arranged all the sticks. Now again you have to wait for the plaster of Paris mixture to get completely dried. The plaster of Paris mixture has completely dried. Again I am going to remove this plastic container with the help of a knife. You can also use scissors if you want. After removing the plastic container, this is how it looks. Now when you are removing the plastic container, be careful not to cut the plaster of Paris base which you have made. Next we have to paint the base which we have made. For giving the base color, I am using white acrylic paint. The white paint is dried now. I am using pearl metallic gold and pearl metallic bronze to paint the base of the showpiece. Take equal quantity of both the paints, mix it together and apply on the base which you have already painted. When the paint is dried, we can decorate the base with the help of satin ribbon. Apply glue around the sides of the base and place the satin ribbon around. I'm also making a bow to decorate the showpiece. Our beautiful showpiece is ready now. You can keep this as a showpiece, as well as you can give this as a gift for your loved ones on their birthdays or any other special occasions.